before this workshop, how did you see KPI and performance management?
I have no idea. I know what KPI stands for, Key Performance Index, but I honestly don't know what needs to be measured. And my understanding of it was that the whole thing is a waste of time, or maybe that's my assumption previously. So from my assumptions, I thought it's just tracking a bunch of numbers that doesn't really mean anything.
How do you see it now after the workshop?
How I understand why it's such an important tool, but it has given me a headache and a problem, a good type of headache and a problem to sit and really think about all the functions of a business organization and try and narrow it down to like 12 KPI per se, like you mentioned, right? So you really have to think about what actually matters and what is the simplest way to track what matters.
Yes.
So yeah, now I see it as a very powerful tool. Now I understand why it measures the effectiveness of individuals and even departments.